My name is Katya, and I'm here to give a short tutorial about how to look for data for the current conditions lesson in the Lake County Cascading Hazards curriculum. We're starting with group 1, which is the current drought conditions. And so on the worksheet, you'll find the drought.gov link. Go ahead and open that up. And when you get to the website, you'll find some of the current stats on drought conditions that are current to Lake County. So I'm looking at this at the end of November, and right now in 2023, there is no drought occurring in Lake County, California. When I scroll down, a map pops up that shows the different drought conditions, and Lake County is marked. And because there's no shading, that means that there is currently no drought in Lake County. If you scroll out a little bit, you can confirm that there are other areas with drought in other parts of the country. But the first thing to look at that's on your worksheet is the drought monitor intensity, which is this first map that pops up on the website. Also, we're asking you to look for the 30-day precipitation marker to see whether it's wetter or drier than normal as far as precipitation goes. So these brown colors, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see what the key is and what those different shades mean. So it looks like that right now, the majority of the county has received a little bit less than normal precipitation. So about 50 to 75% of normal precipitation. And to note that normal is that date range from 1991 to 2020 is the comparison. So right now it's a little bit drier, a little less precipitation than normal. The next thing that we're asking you to look at is the temperature. So the departure from normal as far as the temperature goes. So again, if you go down here, you can see it's about average, and in some areas a little bit warmer than normal. So that's the next piece right there, is to look at the temperature compared to normal, which is from 1991 to 2020 during this 30-day stretch. The last thing that we're asking you to look for is the drought outlook. So you have to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and at the bottom you pass a couple of different other pieces of data, like stream flow and precipitation, a different representation of that, public health, and then at the very bottom, close to the bottom, you'll find the drought outlook. Again, this looks like there's no change or no difference, and if you want to confirm that the data is displaying correctly, if you see no data, you can always zoom out and look at other parts of the country to make sure that there's other areas, because always in some part of the country, there's likely a prediction. So today, there's no drought and no changes. So there's no drought present. And so that's the current drought outlook for Lake County. So take a minute to explore these different indicators and conditions, and take a screenshot of each of these maps to put into a slide to share with your classmates.